Back in 2004, I started having, after 25 years of working in athletic healthcare, I started having some radicular pain in my arm. And initially I tried to treat it conservatively with physical therapy, being a physical therapist. And after 3 months where I hadn't lost my radicular symptoms, I also was starting to get muscle loss in my tricep and some weakness in my arm. Along the way, I had consulted with a person that I considered a personal friend, and that's Dr. Prieto, and I had gone through my healthcare model to get a MRI and get evaluated, and it was getting to a point where I wasn't getting better. And obviously, being a physical therapist, I was all about the conservative, but I had reached a point where with the muscle loss and the weakness in my arm, I thought I needed to think about a little more aggressive approach. And so after at that point, I came in and saw Dr. Prieto as a patient, and I just sat down with him and said, you know what, if you're in this situation, how would you approach it? And I had one of the most precious discussions with a person that I truly believe is a friend. And along the discussion, I had the pleasure to meet Dr. Carlson. And Dr. Carlson, I had had several other consults and opinions, and I ended up choosing Dr. Carlson to be my surgeon. I ended up having a 2-level cervical fusion in my neck, and obviously I've been blessed with a great result. I've had no symptoms since. I've always been very conscious of trying to take care of my neck, because obviously that problem wasn't developed in a matter of days. It was over years, but I've been blessed with a great surgical result, and I'm very thankful for the interchange and the option to see Dr. Carlson, have him take care of me, and obviously I would never hesitate to recommend him to somebody else.